Assalamu alaikum class 1 students. I am your maths teacher. Take out your countdown book and open page number 103. First of all, mention your date, classwork and day. Today we are doing multiplication in fives. Bobo the bunny jumps are now very big. He is jumping in fives. Bobo standing at the point 0. When it jumps in fives, he will reach at the number 5. Then 10, then 15, 20 and so on. Now let's see the question number 1. Count in fives and write the missing numbers. In this box, you have many blank boxes. In this box, you will read the 5 timetables and fill these boxes. Like 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Now let's see the question number 2. Count in fives. Color the squares in yellow. In this box, you will also read the 5 times table and fill these boxes with yellow color. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, then 25, 30 और इसी तरीके से आपने 100 तक कंप्लीट करना है and then color it yellow. और आप इसको इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं कि आपके पास जैसे ये 5 गिवन है, इस नंबर में आप 5 ऐड करेंगे देन आपके पास नेक्स्ट नंबर आएगा, यानी प्रीवियस नंबर में आप 5 नंबर ऐड करेंगे देन यू विल गेट द नेक्स्ट नंबर. नाउ कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 104. मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन फाइव्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज मल्टीप्लाई टू आंसर these. A part is how many fingers on. आपसे पूछा गया है कि कितनी फिंगर्स हैं. 3 hands, 6 hands, 10 hands and 5 hands. ठीक है. We all know that कि हमारे हाथ में 5 उंगलियां होती हैं. हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करनी है 3 hands की. So we will write here 3 because हमें 3 hands की फाइंड आउट करनी है. And 5 we write here 5 because each hand has 5 fingers. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. और इसी तरीके से आपने सारी फाइंड आउट करनी है. जैसे 6 hands हैं, we will write here 6 because हमें 6 hands की फाइंड आउट करनी है फिंगर्स. And each hand has 5 fingers. 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Now come on the part C. 8 multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5. Yes, 40. We will write here 40. और इसी तरह से आपने बॉक्सेस जो हैं वो कंप्लीट करने हैं. Now let's see the part F. Each of 4 ostriches lays 5 eggs. How many eggs altogether? You will underline the 4 ostriches because we have 4 ostriches. We will write here 4 और उसके साथ आप लोगों ने यूनिट लिखना है ostriches. Lays 5 eggs. 5 eggs को अंडरलाइन करें and here you will write unit with 5 eggs. How many eggs? Eggs को अंडरलाइन करें और ये वाला eggs जो है वो आंसर में आपके पास एज ए यूनिट यूज़ होगा. Here you will write eggs. Now you will multiply 4 multiplied by 5 or you will read this 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. ठीक है. Now let's see the part H. There are 10 starfish on the beach. Each starfish has 5 arms. आपको पता है ना starfish के 5 arms होते हैं. How many arms altogether? जब ये 10 starfishes कंबाइन होंगी, इकट्ठी होंगी, तो आपके पास टोटल कितने आर्म्स बनेंगे? Now let's underline the 10 starfish and you will write here 10 starfish. Each starfish has 5 arms, so you will write here 5 arms. ठीक है, 10 multiplied by 5, or you can read this 10 fives are 50. You will write here 50. And how many arms जो था वो आपके पास एज ए यूनिट यूज हो रहा था आर्म, you will write here arm in answer, 50 arms. Now come on the page number 105 and the question is complete the times table and learn. Look at the first box. In this box we have one square and in this box square we have 5 dots. So we will write here 1 5 is 5. And in the next box we will write 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5, or we can read it 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Here we write 1 because we have 1 square, and here we write 5 because we have 5 dots in a square. So 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5. Now come on this part. In this part we have 6 squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in these squares we have 5 dots, yani each square has 5 dots. We will write here 6 5s are 30, and in this box we will write 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30, or we will read 6 times 5 is equals to 30. Here we write 6 because we have 6 squares, and we write 5 because we have 5 dots in each box. So 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30, और इसी तरीके से पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आपने तमाम बॉक्सेस को फिल करना है. ठीक है. Now come on toward your homework. This is your school workbook. Take out your page number 40 of school workbook. Mention your date, homework and day. And let's see the question number 1. Count in fives and filling the blanks. Here you will read the 5 timetables and fill these lines. Now let's see the part C. First word is 35. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, yes, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, then 55, and then 60. Or you can also do this question. You will add 5 numbers in previous number and you will get the answer. ठीक है, like 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, and 25 plus 5 30. Now let's see the next question. Solve these. Here we have 2 columns, tens column and ones column. In ones column we have 2 values, 5 and 5. 5 multiplied by 5. You will read 5 timetables till 5. 5 multiplied by 5, or 5 fives are 25. You will write here 25. 5 in ones column and 2 in tens column. Now come on the second line, fourth part. Here we have 10 and ones column, 8 and 4 in ones column. We will read 4 8s are 32. हमने 4 times table read करना है 8 तक. 4 8s are 32. We will write 2 in ones column and 3 in tens column. इसी तरीके को, इसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आपने यहाँ तक तमाम क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो कंप्लीट करने हैं. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.